The field is the outer portion of your power tool's motor. It works with the armature to create an electromagnetic field, which causes the armature to spin. Most problems with the field are caused by an overloaded tool. When the tool is overloaded, the field windings can be burnt. Common symptoms of a bad field are loss of power and excessive sparks from the armature. There will often be smoke coming from the motor or a burning smell. A bad field can also cause the armature to quickly fail, so you'll want to inspect it closely as well. Replacing the field is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the tool. Now remove the brush tension springs from the brushes. Now remove the gear housing cover. Now remove the screws that secure the gear housing to the motor assembly. And I'll separate the two halves. Now I can begin removing the field. First I'll remove the baffle, and then the screws that secure the field to the housing. Next, I'll remove the wires that lead from the field to the controller and the brush holders. Straighten these wires out, and I'll keep track of how the wires are routed through the housing. Now the field's ready to be removed from the housing. To do that, I'll tap the housing against a block of wood. Now I can install the new field. I've straightened out the wire leads so they'll easily slide into the housing. I've aligned the field so the two red wires are lined up with the connections on the controller. I'll slide the field into the housing, and I'll fish the wires through the housing. Now I'll make sure that the screw holes on both the field and the housing are aligned, and begin to press the field into place. Sometimes the new field can be very tight and hard to install into the housing. A trick you can use to make the process a little easier is to clamp a couple of bolts into your vise. I'll align the bolts so that they'll press against the metal portion of the field, and then clamp them firmly in the vise. Now I'll place the bolts on the metal pads on the field, and push the field the rest of the way into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the screws that secure the field to the housing. And reinstall the baffle. And next I'll reconnect the wires. I'll take any slack out of the red wires by twisting them into a loop. Now I'll reconnect the brush holder wire and the one on the other side. Now reinstall the gearbox and armature assembly back into the housing. I'll replace the cover. And I'll place the brush springs back over the top of the brush. And now reinstall the rear housing. And secure it with the screw. And that's all it takes to replace the field in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.